Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is your boy Roger over here, DC First Properties. Just want to talk to you guys a little bit more about the acquisitions. Let's call this cruising with acquisitions. Yeah, I like that. So essentially the first step whenever you're selling your property is that you're going to put it out there, you're going to get a lot of offers. All right, so offers are always going to come in. You can always guarantee that. What you can't guarantee is that every offer is going to close. So you're going to get an offer that, you know, oh man, this is going to be exactly the amount I was looking for. Or maybe this was as close to it as I could possibly imagine, you know, maybe a 5K off or something like that, right? So you're going to get a lot of great offers, and then you're going to go through the vetting process. You're going to have to figure out, okay, is this person legit? Are they just throwing out a number? And then you're going to get a contract. And then a lot of times you think, okay, contract, it's sold, right? No, that's not how it works. Even when you go through a contract, there's still so many steps that you have to go through whenever you're selling your property. And a lot of the times, you're going to lose control of the situation because depending on the buyer, it's going to have to get appraised by their bank, and their bank is going to have to give them the green light for the loan on your property. Now, we're seeing about 98% of buyers right now, that's what they're going with. You lock up a contract, it's going to sound great on paper, you're already counting your chickens, you're like, this money's in the bag. Then 2 months later, you have nothing to show for it. Maybe they renegotiated, maybe the deal fell through. So essentially, where DC First Properties is, we come in, we cut out all the BS. We cut out the fake numbers, the phony offers. We shoot straight. I'm going to give you an offer. It may not be the highest offer, but one thing I can do is guarantee it's going to close. We shoot straight. We give you a contract. There's no little weasel clause to get out of it or anything like that. 3 steps: offer, contract, close. Very simple. Headache free, most importantly, and you get your money. Not everybody can say that. So really, vet your buyer. Make sure you're looking for that 2%.